Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com, CRO COIN. Take a look at some of the Kronos meme coins. Take a look at CAW, Crow with Knife. Take a look at Mery, and some of the other Kronos memes, because honestly, they're holding up pretty well amidst this sell-off that we're seeing throughout crypto. And I want to give you guys my opinion on the Kronos ecosystem, the Kronos meme coin ecosystem, and see where we could be headed here. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, first things first, I'm going to lead off with the Kronos ecosystem as a whole, because the Kronos meme coins can't do well unless the entire Kronos ecosystem does well. And I am on day 12 of proposing Crypto.com to implement a market buyback and burn of CRO COIN with a percentage of quarterly profits. The Crow fam is resilient, and we will get this message out. Fortune favors the brave, guys. Go follow me at 333 Blacksea on Twitter. I'm going to get this message across. I'm going to start to talk with Chris Marzalak, talk with Kronos Labs, and let's just get this conversation started here, because this is what Binance does. They take a percentage of their quarterly profits, I believe it's a fifth of their quarterly profits, and they buy back and burn BNB. And something like that is very, very beneficial to the speculation on CRO COIN, as well as driving new users to the Kronos ecosystem. So just throwing that out there, guys. Let's get this message across. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at $57,542, down about 0.6%. We did come up almost to $60,000 only a few hours ago. But the Federal Reserve came out, and the CPI was lower than expected, and, well, the market dumped, which is quite fascinating because it shouldn't really play out that way, and it does. You know, the market likes to play out as max pain as possible. That's just the way, that's the nature of the market. So we're seeing Bitcoin take a dip, Ethereum take a dip, Bitcoin dominance basically staying exactly the same that it's been staying at for the past months, honestly, 53.33% when you exclude stablecoins, 55.3%. I think Bitcoin dominance is pretty topped out. Probably start to make our way to the downside even further. That being said, if we see that move to the upside, that impulse wave on Bitcoin, or even to the downside, I expect Bitcoin dominance to rally and start to make its way back up to that 57-60% price level. So let's take a look on Dex Screener. We're going to look at the Kronos ecosystem, because there's some interesting things to look at, guys. Mery was up about 10%. It's up 9% on 24 hours. Crow with Knife. But all these coins are performing relatively well. I do think that when it comes to altcoins and the Kronos ecosystem specifically, the somewhat, if you want to call them, use that term the OG meme coins on Kronos, I think they've found a bottom. I really do. Now, don't quote me on that, but a lot of the major altcoins like Solana, even CRO COIN, Ethereum, I think they've found a bottom right now. That being said, Bitcoin needs to play nice. We need to make sure Bitcoin doesn't take a tumble below a very key price level. And I will say, we're going to take a look at that shortly. But that being said, Crow with Knife sitting above a $46 million market cap. It was about $50 million before the dump to the downside. It's holding up well. And Mery, $7.6 million. I like to see it. And good liquidity, too, as well. $1 million on Mery, $3.5 million on Crow with Knife. There's a lot of other coins here, too, that are holding up relatively well. Push, I'm excited to see. Lo-Fi was always questioning, but, I mean, look at this. This is insane. The liquidity is $5.1 million, and the market cap's $4.8 million. Yeah. I have my thoughts on the meme coins that were created by the powers that be that get launched on Crypto.com immediately. Speaking of that, let's see Mery get listed on Crypto.com. That'd be nice, and see some other crypto meme coins on Kronos actually get some love from Crypto.com. But CAW, look at this. This is looking pretty nice. It is honestly holding up relatively well. I mean, you don't really get a good chart on here because it was based off of when it was listed on Crypto.com. But that being said, measure from the top to where we're at right now. Sure, 60% drawdown. That's not that bad. That's not that bad. Some major altcoins are down 80% right now. It's pretty crazy. CRO COIN right now looks like it's bottoming out as well, bouncing off of that 0.0830 price level. looking for that curvature. We do not want to see retests of this level, this yellow line. If we do, then I do expect a move to the downside on it, but I will also say that this level is a pretty strong support level at 0.0830 cents. Things are looking pretty good. Things are looking pretty good. We just need to make sure Bitcoin holds up. And Bitcoin right now, when we look at the daily, what we're seeing right now is we broke below this key support level of 58,000. We came up, we were breaking above it, but unfortunately, guys, we got rejected. We got rejected off the $58,000 price level. Does that mean that we're going to resume off of it to the downside? I'm going to say that there's a high likelihood of that happening. There is. That being said, when we look at higher term time frames, it makes me a little bit more bullish, but I do think that there's a high probability that we probably start to make our way down a little bit, but nothing. I'm not expecting impulse waves. I'm not expecting moves to 49,000 in the short term. I think if that does play out, then we're going to be looking for a slow grind to that level. Something similar to what we saw over here with some time capitulation, then bam, when it comes down. Something similar to like that to playing out. But when we look at the weekly, it's holding up pretty well. And there is a chance that we get saved here. There is a chance. If we look at the weekly and we zoom in a little bit, you can see we have 3 days and 8 hours left. If we can get this candle closure above 58,000, I'm going to be a little bit more bullish, guys. I'm going to be a little bit more bullish. I do want to check one more thing on the daily. If we still have the green dot on volume, which is very nice to see. This green dot down here, it's usually a bottom signal. It's usually a bottom. So bottom signal is flashing on the daily for Market Cipher, but the weekly is a little bit shaky, but we still have 3 days and 8 hours to get above this price level. And like I've been saying over on Twitter, eyes open at 60,000. If we can get above $60,000, then I would say, okay, well, we're probably going to be making our way back to the top of this channel at about $70,000 to $72,000. And I know it sounds crazy, but that's just what I'm seeing here. And guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please go follow me on Instagram at 333Blacksea. If I can reach 500 followers by Sunday, I will give away $1,000 worth of CRO COIN, CAW, mery, whatever coin you want. But I'm just trying to get my followers up and give back to you guys. I love doing these giveaways. I'm doing a giveaway here. I'm doing a giveaway on Twitter as well. I'm going to give away $100 worth of CRO COIN if I can reach 500 retweets on my post. And I will also burn $100 worth of CRO COIN just to give back and show, I'm serious about this CRO COIN burn, and I want to do my part. But that's all I really got, guys. If you want to check out some awesome referral links, we have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin down below, a $4,100 sign-in bonus to Femex down below, and I believe also Blowfin has a $600,000 giveaway right now going on, which is absolutely insane. Check that out. But that's all I got for you guys. We got to be patient. The Crow fam needs to be patient. We got to come together, push this burn message. These meme coins are doing pretty well. I hold CAW, I hold mery. Let me know in the comments section below. Do you think I should buy some other coins? What coins should I buy? Let me know. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.